Dog Paw was a hardcore criminal. I know it's unlikely we're going to get him back into prison because...
Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great. One more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit your notification button. Country girl, country boy, silent, nuclear, country squad, 306, need a picture. Country boss, hit your notification button. Inside joke. Yo, wanna hear the little clip where clear and all him say, where that boy named National Security Minister Chang, him said Dog Paw was a hardcore criminal. But for some reason, I just have a different take Dog Paw. The youth here was not a hardcore criminal like them say he was. The youth here, you can tell the neighborhood and where him come from and doing things for politician and the uptown boy them, so-called run program. But Dog Paw, I like this guy. My thing is to the statement where he make, like him give the dash order. I must say the youth was a hardcore. May I play the rest of the clip when him talk about. And him did have some good ideas, Chang, at the end of him statement, but just saying the man hardcore and he would have never changed, we don't have a problem with that. The youth was a victim of his circumstance just like many other people. Now, Chang, China boy there, when you're listening to him talk a good talk about implementing programs for the poor people them and stuff like that. But the problem is every year, every day, since even before independence, at the same talk, there is really no change. Nobody not make no change. So, and then them now address the politician in the ghetto and do things and the police them. I mean, it's really crazy. So, to make them kind of speech about youth, I totally disagree with it. And stop use a youth here. Him dead and gone, dog. Stop use him as poster boy for badness. You have Jim Brown. Use Dudus. Not program Dudus. You have a bag of other man named there. You have the boy Zeeks. You understand? What kind of rehabilitation you have in the system? When a man come out of prison, what them have? Is there any jobs? Is there any education system? Is there any program? Is there any cognitive skills? I mean, we can speak all these big terms, and that's what Jamaica is. They'll inundate you with these boards and these this and this that and this is that, but really nothing gets done. It's total complacency. And nobody is whole accountable. Because when him come out of prison the other day, him dey on him own. Him have to go back in our environment. You hear what the boy say? The boy the Chang, him have boy a whole heap of war did that go on and things. So I mean, what him for do? him for go there and put a target on him chest and say, yo, me a life target. Come on. Why don't you go there? Chang, why don't you go and live in Augustown for a week? You know the TV show, The Undercover Boss? Why don't you do something like an undercover politician? And go live in a Augustown and Matilda's Town and them place there. I go live in a Cockburn pen for a month. Go do it for a month. I bet you wouldn't even last a day, dog. You understand? So, stop using youth as a poster boy. And when you're making on a speech, on a afi, sorry, I drink my coffee and I'm gonna ziggy. On a afi, wait name there. On a afi kind of call out the bullshit and then address it step by step by step by step. You said the early childhood intervention, this, that, whatever, but all you do is give the police their money and then the rest of government them a thief up the money. So you don't know the thing said. Anyways, my name is Countryman. And remember to like, share and subscribe and hit your notification button. This is just my take on Mr. Chang's speech, and like I said, I'm gonna play the rest of it. It's like a 1 minute talk where him give the interview and the man ask him certain things in it. I wanna go hear where him say he have some good ideas to intervene in the community. But the only problem with that is there is no intervention. From Tower Hill to Rockfort, from Flankers to Trelawney, from Dunkirk to Yo, Junior Gang tell you, welcome to Jamrock. So, we have to go big if we're going to try and make change to this thing, dog, or stay home. And that's the bottom line. So like I said, good talk, but nothing for back it up and stop using youth as a poster boy for the chaos what wanna create. You understand? Remember the Patreon page is there, check it out. We need some ideas. And like I said, when we reach the next milestone, we're gonna shot some money to the subscribers. Them straight up country girl, more you help me with this thing. Yeah. And like I said, I play the rest of the clip for now. And you can leave on a comment and make your own decision. But it's just talk all the time. So, yeah. Countryman, I'm out.
Dog Paul is a hardcore criminal. I know it's unlikely you're going to get him back into prison because a lot of these guys, when they go in, they don't want to come. They don't want to go back, not because of the whatever rehabilitation or the hard stress of prison. When they leave their turf of operation, others take over. And when they come out, it's a war. A war was going on in Papil and Tavern when Dog Paul came back. Several people were killed because of that. Several lives were lost. You can't rehabilitate that. We must provide better services and better environment for the poor people in the urban decay, such as we are doing in limited still, but a model that has worked, where we have zones of special operation combined with the inner city basic service intervention. They're working. I've had no killing in North for how many months. We have reduced that in every single one year. We'd like to broaden that across the board. And it is this government that we must get engaged those children from they are conceived in public health clinics through primary school, infant school.